I am going to show you the basic information about the PI series HMI we have. You may get started with it easily. 5 sections will be included into my presentation here. We will go through them one by one. WECN is the manufacturer that independently develops, manufactures, supports and sells human-machine interface, programmable logic controller, industrial PC and related accessories. With 12 years on HMI certing, and the latest PI 3000i series HMI just released in 2019 with best cost-effective solution. Here is overview of PI series HMI. PI 3000i comes with new design on hardware structure, and it supported open frame installation. PI 3000 higher end market. PI 8000 comes with more power CPU and hardware configuration which is capable with a complex task, like processing script. PI 9000 is the first model to have aluminum bezel, and its resolution is up to 1920 x 1080 and 12 and 15 inch. Those basic features are available to all WECN HMI. Stability is our concern. In WECN HMI, it support up to 200 kinds communication protocol, from compact meters to PLC. Built-in Unicode standard to allow user add all kinds languages to screen display. Let us look into the operating system of HMI. 2 kinds of operating system supported in same hardware except PI 3070i. PI Studio was created to program PI series HMI. Windows CE-based computers are increasingly finding their way in the industrial automation world. The differences among all PI HMI. Advanced features like remote access from app is not supported in PI 3000i and PI 3000.
PI HMI is used in many automation fields, especially for compact machine.
We are successful in control cabinet market, like temperature control. With WECN HMI, easily to get factory machine online, and commissioning remotely. This is the project we made. Charging device communicates with car's BMS device directly via CAN protocol. WECN is ready to apply new changes to HMI, to accept the challenge from emerging things. Thanks for watching.